Such a lovely privilege to be gifted with the gift of sight and be able to witness, watch the beauty of God's creation. And along with me, I take commitment, consistency, and compassionate. Welcome to yet another exciting, educative, and explorative travel and adventure series. In this episode, I am on a mission to photograph shorebirds in a hideout. Welcome. Good morning, guys. Yep, it is the 19th day of April 2023. I've been shooting wildlife for quite a while, taking pictures and photos of birds. And one thing I'll say, this is very addictive. Wow, look at that. This is very addictive. So I have a small trick up my sleeve. Let me show you. I'll just put this down for a second. Okay. So if you can see, it might be quite a distance. Down there, I guess it's almost an hour. And let me try to locate it here. Where is it? It's quite tiny, but somewhere here I planted a pop-up camouflage tent. Now the idea is to leave it there for a while, definitely not to disturb or bother anyone. It's not going to spend a night here, no. I put it 6:30 in the morning, and the aim is to let it stay there so that the birds can get used to it being there. And then I have to creep in, get inside, lie low using my beanbag and my 600mm with a 1.4 alternating with a 2x teleconverter, in hopes that the sun will open up from the cloud, hoping that all these birds at some moment they will come towards the edge, and that's the moment I'll manage to get my low angle shots on these birds at their natural environment. So I'm approaching the hideout. If you can see it, it's down there. Yeah. Just in front of it, I can see some activity already. There are, African jacana on my left. There are blacksmith plovers. So the aim is to get into the tent nice and slow, easy, without frightening the birds away. What I like about being here at this moment is that there's no traffic or human activity. And that makes me to get that moment when the birds are calm. When I decided to take this project, I didn't know if it would be a success. Did I get the picture? Maybe yes, maybe no. Did I get my video composition right? Yes, no. But did I get the experience? Yes, definitely. So I am in the tent. I managed to creep in. I love this. This actually is providing shade to me, and as I say, it's a camouflaged hideout. The birds are right here. I'm at eye level. Okay, I just saw an instruction here that I have to remove. It's a bright. I'm at eye level, and the birds are behaving normally. I just have to give them time now, because nature does not understand that we work on schedule, we work on timing. I hope it doesn't rain, but if it rains, have some shelter here with me. So let's see how this goes, okay? My initial subject is a grey heron, and I managed to get so close with it and obtain undisturbed behavior on the bird, thanks to the hideout. So this entire week has been full of mixed weather, climatic changes. It's rather unusual to be having rains, precipitations, cloud covers during this time. So as I was partaking this project, I had that in mind that it might rain. And little did I know that I will have the opportunity to photograph a lovely footage of rain over the dam with the birds in the background. And that's why I say, every time you do this, nature will always present something different. And it all comes to commitment, consistency, and compassion. I love it. So guys, this is my first time inside this pop-up camouflage hideout tent, if you prefer to call it. I decided to go outside and assess the amount of rainfall, downpour rather. I make an informed choice to rather stay inside the tent and continue shooting despite the rainfall. So the question is my choice of staying in the hideout with the rain a good choice, or is it a bad choice, having in mind I have my gear with me? So let's see if my choice will give me a good outcome. Will I have to pay regret, facing consequences with my choice of staying in the tent, or will I get away with it? Before you execute a choice, ensure that you have fully examined the consequences. Choices, consequences, consequences, choices. It has really increased. I didn't predict it will be this much, but I'm amazed. I'm protected. My gear is intact and nothing to worry about. I managed to capture a small shot of the rain hitting the, how do you call it, the grey heron, and what an epic experience. So I'll just sit here for a few minutes again and wait for it to go down and hope to get that one of a lifetime moment shot. And this is why I come to you and say, you are the captain, you are the author, you are the writer of your life. So whatever you do, make sure that when it all comes down, said and done, that when you look back, you'll be happy with the memories that you have created in this life. One life, live it, love it, enjoy it, and do it your way. The smile, the joy, the personal satisfaction, the feeling of self-actualization has been achieved and brought about by the consequences of my choice, evidenced by my smile. And therefore, I have to move on. However, leave you with a series of video footages I captured on this day. I called it My First Day in a Hideout, capturing show birds. Look at that beautiful shower. How beautiful to watch the beauty of Mother Nature and share it with you. It's your choice. Remember that your peace is your personal responsibility. Protect it by all means. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next episode on my ongoing series on wildlife and nature. Your life, your choices. Adios.